traffic control devices have been proven beneficial when communicating highway information in construction areas.
When there's construction on a two-lane road, TxDOT typically has to close one of those lanes to facilitate work. Well, there's driveways and different types of entrances along that closed section that need to be informed about which direction they can travel on the open roadway. So throughout the research effort, we looked at many different designs of these devices that are now called residential driveway temporary signals.
The Texas A&M Transportation Institute worked with the Texas Department of Transportation to develop technology designed for controlling traffic in areas where construction is occurring.
Anytime we want to introduce a new traffic control device, it has to be evaluated for future implementation into the MUTCD. So this device needed to be evaluated under what they call a request to experiment.
The technology used can evolve based on interactions from the public. Early
Early on, we had a 4-head signal and a 3-head signal, and through some Qualtrics surveys, they found out that what was most understandable by the users, the drivers, was the 3-head signal, and that's what FHWA approved. And also, there's been some variations of different signing, and through that same Qualtrics survey, they presented the different signing to the users, the survey respondents, which one makes most sense. Like, do they understand which way they should go in a safe manner?
This technology helps free crew members to work on the road while using best practices to keep drivers safe and moving in construction zones.
So the device communicates with the portable traffic signals that are on the main lanes at the end of the road, and that makes it seamless and allows people to more easily enter into the appropriate traffic flow. We now don't have to have flaggers at every access point that needs to be able to come into the one-lane section of roadway that is open for travel.
Sometimes TxDOT has to do full pavement depth repair on a project, and so maybe they would have had to close the whole roadway down and provide detours. This allows them to keep the roadway open in a one-lane, two-way traffic control scenario. It allows the drivers that are leaving their residential driveway to know which way is safe to maneuver.
And the research here could impact others across the nation.
Our research was really crucial in helping the Federal Highway Administration to decide to provide an interim approval on these devices so they can be used more widespread throughout the United States, including Texas. We hope to continue to support efforts of evaluating these devices so that one day they can be included in the Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.